Jeep's journey began in 1945 with the Willys CJ, a tough vehicle built for adventure and survival. Over the decades, Jeep evolved while staying true to its rugged off-road DNA. The CJ5 brought more power and comfort, followed by the Wrangler YJ in the late 80s with a bold new look. The TJ reintroduced classic round headlights, while the JK added four-door practicality. The JL refined technology and performance, and today's Wrangler Rubicon represents the ultimate off-road machine. From battlefield routes to modern trails, this is the powerful evolution of Jeep.